So you don't want to pay that much attention. So you want to keep it just very simple. What I would do over here on this particular area is just provide some basic information about your product. Just a little bit more data on it. Okay, so now let's talk about a less important element, but still relevant. And this one is called the description. It might be more important later on, but today, as of this recording, the description does not show up on the mobile device. I think that Facebook is working hard towards making sure the description is available because it does help a little bit on the providing more information to the individuals. But to look at Facebook's end also, they might not do it at all. They might not show up on the actual mobile device because I can see right now that they have actually paid a lot of attention to making this area right here. Buy now with free shipping, shop now. They make it very visible and it has like a solid background that is a grayish color that it really stands out. So I can see that the Facebook team that is working on the particular optimization of the ad placements, they might not want to do that right here because it might give too much information that is unnecessary. But let's see where this does belong. The description, if you want to see it, let me show you first how this works, okay? So if I add something here, doesn't matter what I add, check it out. Nothing happens on the ad. It doesn't show up over here. But if we switch that to a desktop newsfeed, then we can see it. So what do we got? About 10% of the population that is using Facebook is on the mobile devices. I'm sorry, on the desktop devices. The other 90%, the important ones, are actually on their mobile newsfeed. So you don't want to pay that much attention. So you want to keep it just very simple. What I would do over here on this particular area is just provide some basic information about your product. Just a little bit more data on it. So I could say something like, a little story right there, you can see. So what did I say? This product was formulated by award-winning metabolism and health specialist Frank Suarez. It is the result of 20 years of experience working with over 50,000 cases. Simple as that, a little bit more information. So that 10% that is actually looking at this ad on their newsfeed will get more data for them to judge and make a decision whether they visit your store or not. So what do we got? In summary, we got on this entire ad, text above the image, we got the image, 1, 2. We got the title, free. We got the actual description, 4. And we got the shop now or the call to action button. 5 elements to your ad. Pretty simple, right? Anything that you do on your ad creation process, no matter what it is, it's always, 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 for the rest of our times, probably going to revolve around those 5 elements. Whatever Facebook updates they roll out along the way will still include these 5 elements. From the beginning, they already had these 5 elements. So they've just evolved and gotten better with time. But this is something that you gotta master, and you gotta realize that those 5 elements are all distinct in their own way because they pull attention at different moments, whether the person at the beginning clicks on your link or they see your video and then they click on the link under and they want to learn more information. Realize that you're dealing with human beings, guys. So whatever it is, you got to understand that people are going to connect with you at different moments. And those 5 elements need to contribute to each other and help each other out. So whoever is more on the fence, whether they engage with you or not, actually goes on your side and decides to jump in and find out more about your brand and connect with you a little bit more.